Yo, what is up, everybody? As Crypto 101 coming at you guys with another video today. And I really wanted to give you guys my strategy when it comes to the Piggy Bank and the pig pen, as well as just a general update for the bag builder drip team. We have a whole new tier system that we're implementing today, so definitely stay tuned. We got a lot of information, some great stuff in this video. So if you haven't already, make sure to stop what you're doing right now. Make sure you leave a comment. Make sure that you hit that like button. Make sure you hit the notification button. And of course, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Helps me out and just helps build out the team. And then also notifies you guys as soon as a video is released. You don't want to miss out on this great content. Now, let's get straight into it. The piggy bank has been a monster the past couple of days. It's only been 1 or 2 days, and I've been able to turn $8,000 into almost $11,000 already. So that is crazy. Now, the main reason for that is just the compounding mechanism in which I've been putting all my profits back into the system, which is right now about $300 to $320 a day. And then, as well as the price appreciation of pigs, is definitely going to affect the price of your piglets. So let's get straight into it, guys. So my strategy here, just to show you guys what I'm working with, I have 4 stakes that I created here, and I set these on different scales pretty much. So that's just my opinion, and once again, this is never financial advice. I don't know what the hell I'm talking about right now, but this is just a ladder based system that I created. So I did a 90 days, 180 days, 270, and then 365. So I pretty much divvy these out for every 3 months, but my plan is to come in here every single day and compound this. Now, you do have to wait 24 hours to compound from what I've seen, so definitely make sure you're taking that into consideration. Now, let me go ahead and refresh this so we can get some new values in here, just so we can see how it has changed so far. Go ahead and connect our MetaMask, and we'll load this back up. Okay, so as you can see, we are here now, and we're sitting at about 113k piglets here, 109k, 106, and 104. This top one is going to be if you have any referrals. So shout out to you guys who have joined underneath my link. I'm going to talk about the airdrops we're going to be doing next week, so definitely stay tuned for that. And then here's another stake that was created and sent to me, so appreciate all the love that you guys have been sending me. Now, my strategy here is, it's one, going to help the system because it is not going to cause me to have to dump my pigs on the market, which we never want to do, especially, you're really wanting to see an asset perform well. One thing to do is just not sell it. And what Forex has created here is a system in which you can put it back into the system and earn even more money off of it. So my plan is pretty much once a week. So I'm going to set the day for myself to be Friday. I am going to claim the ones that are unlocked. Obviously, the ones that are locked, all I can do is compound them, but this will be my strategy once these do unlock. But for example, I would let this one compound 6 days a week, but then every Friday I would come in here and actually sell whatever my available truffle values is. So what that's going to do is allow me to be able to compound 6 days, claim one, so I am taking profit, which I always recommend people to do regardless of what system or what kind of assets that you're looking at. Make sure that you always are taking time to take profit. Now, what this is going to allow me to do is I'm going to be able to sell whatever remaining truffles I have, sell it, and then it's going to give me the pigs BUSD pair. Now, what I'm going to do with those pigs once I do sell those is I'm going to take those pigs, I'm going to put them straight here into the pig pen, which is going to allow me to increase my share of this pool, allow me to get even more BUSD and even more pigs. And then I would take the BUSD, and that's pretty much what I would take as my profit from that claim every Friday. So what this is going to allow me to do, and this is really the reason I believe Forex created it this way, is it allows you to have almost a cycle in which you can take profit without selling the underlying asset, because getting the piglets or the pigs BUSD pair, once you do claim it here from the piggy bank, is going to allow you to increase your share here in the pig pen by putting more pigs in there, as well as taking BUSD from that pair and doing whatever you want. Maybe you want to take that BUSD and invest it in a new project or a new shitcoin that came up, or just altcoins, or buying the dip with the market the way it is now. That's going to give you a lot of opportunity to do a lot while not dumping the pigs on the market, which would decrease the price of it, especially if everybody went with that method. Now, just wanted to give you guys my strategy with that. I put in around 2K into each of these stakes, and based off of this platform here, which is drip.formula.finance/piggy bank, this is going to give me a review of more so what my stats are. And as I said, I put in 8,000 and I was able to, I have right around 11.1K in here. Now that is taking into consideration some of the referral stake and the stake I was gifted, but we've been able to take our initial investment and just gain so much off of it. And we're going to keep being able to do that because we're going to keep compounding, and we're going to also get those additional time lock bonuses from here, because this is crazy, guys. I think this is awesome opportunity for anybody to be able to get in if you have a small amount of capital. And if you're comfortable with locking it up for these long periods of time, definitely do so, because you're going to see the benefits of that on down the line. Now, let's get into the airdrops I'm going to be doing for my team. So for my team, all you have to do is make a stake deposit of at least 5 LP, lock it up for at least 12 weeks, and then that is going to allow you to be eligible. So what I would do is I would come in here, this person's eligible, this person's eligible, this person's eligible based off of their LPs and their lockup periods. And each week I'm going to go in here and I'm going to choose a person, and I'm going to airdrop them a piggy bank stake. Now, based off of the poll that we did in the Telegram, the group doesn't want anything really longer than 3 months. So what I would do is I don't know exactly the dollar amount. It's going to be a couple $100. It's going to be $100 stakes, but I'm going to send that to a random person who met the criteria here by having 5 LP in at least 3 months. And then from there, I'm going to pick a random person, send them the stake, lock it up for probably around 12 weeks. And then it's going to be a varying dollar amount. But like I said, it's going to be a couple $100. So, definitely incentive for you guys to hop on my team. All you have to do is use my link when it comes to using the piggy bank. That's going to be in the description below. But that's going to allow you guys to be on the team and be able to get those airdrops going forward. Now, that's exactly what we're going to be doing here for the piggy bank, as I said. I think this is a great opportunity. Like I've said, this isn't financial advice, but this is a really good system that he has created. And once again, just to give you guys my strategy very quickly, I am going to be claiming only 1 day a week. So almost making it like a daily payday or a weekly payday. So every Friday I would come in here, I would actually do sell instead of compound. And then I would take the LP, which is pigs and BUSD, and I would take the pigs from that pair after I unpair it and put the pigs into the pig pen. And then I would take the BUSD and I would just keep that in my wallet and then use that forever for whatever I would want to at that point. So it's going to allow you to compound, so really build your bag, but also making sure that you're taking profit at least 1 day a week. So this is going to be a great system. It allows you to be able to take profit as well as not sit there and drain the system by selling pigs. Now, let's get into Drip, guys. So Drip still doing his thing over here. Obviously, we've seen a little bit of a price decrease here. But hey, the market has been wild, and we have to remember that Drip is also paired up with BNB. So, if BNB goes down a little bit, Drip doesn't go down a little bit as well. It does have some BUSD liquidity from the Drip garden, but it's not solely BUSD. So it's going to see some price fluctuations along with the market. So we're sitting at a price of $16.35 right now. Still a great time to accumulate. Still a great time to build your team. We're sitting at 57 directs, 88 total. So shout out to everybody on the team. Keep doing your thing. Keep building your bag. And now we're going to talk about our new airdrop system. So previously we had a system to where pretty much each week we had different things. So we had a community service week. We had a 10 minimum airdrop or 10 minimum drip deposit airdrop, a 25 minimum, and then we had a team builder pretty much appreciation airdrop. So we're definitely changing that up. We're going to go to a completely different system, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how that is going to work here. So have the video here of it already created. This is also going to be put in the Telegram group. So if you're not in the Telegram group, go ahead and join. We got some great people in there. All we love to talk about is passive income and financial freedom. So definitely feel free to join. That is the bag. Builders Telegram. I'll have the link to that below. And that's where there's going to be the different tasks that are announced for the daily airdrops and just some more information that you're always going to want to stay up to date on when it comes to that. So we're going to get straight into the video now, and I'm going to give you guys a walkthrough of the new tier system and just some more information on what you need to know about that. All right, you guys, now we're looking at the brand new bag builder drip airdrop tiers. As you can see, we have 4 tiers here, and it's going to be dependent on how much drip you have deposited, and you have a multiplier on the right side. So I'm going to give you more information on that in a couple of minutes. And then if you need the bag builder team address, or you're not on team yet, definitely get that. It's going to be in the description below as well, but that is going to allow you to join the team and be eligible for these airdrops. So obviously our main goal as a bag builder is to build our bags and achieve financial freedom through passive income. And this new tier system is going to allow fairness and just going to promote community engagement. Now I'm going to go through the steps real quick and show you guys exactly what we're going to be doing with the airdrops. So these are going to be done on a daily basis. So we're going to be giving drip every single day. There'll be daily tasks that can be completed to be eligible for the airdrops. Now that could be like this video, comment on this video, etc., etc. I mean, it might be something on Twitter. So definitely stay tuned for that. I'm going to be announcing these every single day on Twitter and the Telegram group. So if you're not joined the Bag Builder Telegram group, definitely do that. The link is in the description below, as well as the Twitter. If you're not following me on Twitter, follow me there at scrypto101, and I'm going to announce these tasks every single day. Now, it's going to be completely random as well. So it's going to be a random person who completed that task is going to be a winner. So I'm going to find everybody who completed that task, who is on the team, put it on a spinner wheel, and then whoever it lands on, that person is going to get the airdrop. Now, the catch is each airdrop will be 1 drip, but the tier system comes into play here. Now, an example is if you're a tier 4 bag builder and you were randomly chosen because you completed the task and you're on the team, you would actually receive 2 drip because of the 2x multiplier. Now, if we go back and look at it here, that is what's going to determine what you get. Now, if you're somebody on the team and you have 55 drip deposited, then that means if you won that task, you completed it, and you were chosen off the spinner wheel, you would actually get 1.5 drip. Now, this allows for everybody to be able to get a drip airdrop, but it's just going to reward those who have really deposited, a good amount into the system and are building their teams, etc., and different things that are really just helping to build the community. But it also allows for those who are at the bottom as well to get an airdrop by being engaged and staying active in the community, which is what we always should try to promote. Now, I think this is a lot better system. Definitely give me feedback on what you guys think. I just love, when people are engaged and leaving comments and leaving feedback. And then, from that, you're getting free drip. So it's hard to beat. Come on, guys, you can't beat that. So definitely make sure that you guys are on the team. All you have to do is get the bag builder team address from the description below, put that in the get a buddy section, hit update, deposit 1 drip, and then from there you are good to go in terms of getting the airdrops. Make sure that you guys are also checking out Telegram. We got some good people in there. Definitely check it out. All you have to do is join the description link below for the Bag Builders Telegram. Make sure you're also checking me out on Twitter and Instagram at scrypto101. A lot of good content that doesn't always make it to the video there as well. Now, we've talked about the Piggy Bank, my strategy, how I'm going to get rich off of that. Pigpen, exactly what I'm going to do with my pigs, that once I break the LP from my daily or my weekly claim, what I'm going to do with that. We talked about that. And then we have our new tier system when it comes to the drip airdrop. And just because this was announced today, I'm going to reward everybody who has left a comment on the last video. If you're on the team, I'm going to send you airdrop today just because I appreciate the attentiveness and you guys being on it. Now, keep doing your thing. Make sure you got your stakes good to go. Make sure you got your pigs in the pen, and make sure you are building your bag when it comes to drip. There's a huge announcement coming next week. Not 100% sure what that is, but hey, I think it's going to be super bullish. So now is the time to build your bags. Now is the time to build your team. And we're going to keep focusing on building our bags by getting more passive income streams every single day.